This is the Amazon Fire TV 75-inch Omni QLED series, a massive display that combines big-screen entertainment with smart features at a price that's surprisingly reasonable. The first thing you notice is the scale. 75 inches of screen space that immediately dominates the room. Once powered on, the quantum dot technology really shines. Colors pop with vibrant accuracy, brightness is impressive, and the HDR experience feels more cinematic than most TVs in this segment. Dolby Vision IQ support and full-array local dimming enhance contrast, giving darker scenes more depth while keeping highlights controlled. Motion handling is smooth enough for sports and movies, and the 4K resolution ensures sharp visuals from almost any distance. It's not going to compete with the very top OLEDs, but for this size and price, the picture quality is surprisingly strong. One feature that stands out is the ambient experience. When the screen is idle, it can display useful information, rotating artwork, widgets, or personal photo galleries. It's like having a giant smart display integrated seamlessly into your living space. This is powered by Fire OS, which makes navigation smooth and keeps apps fast to launch. Voice control is built in via Alexa, allowing you to change channels, launch apps, control smart home devices, or check information without touching a remote. The included Alexa Voice Remote Pro adds extra convenience, with backlit buttons, custom shortcuts, and a finder feature for when it goes missing. Performance is reliable and responsive. Apps load quickly, streaming is smooth, and 4K content looks clean with minimal buffering. The built-in speakers are decent, offering clear dialogue and balanced sound, though adding a soundbar will enhance the cinematic feel for movies and shows. For gamers, input lag is low, making it suitable for console gaming. While the 60 Hz refresh rate isn't aimed at competitive high frame rate gaming, casual gaming looks good and colors remain vibrant. The TV delivers a satisfying experience for families, casual gamers, and streaming enthusiasts alike. The build is clean and modern, with thin bezels and a minimalistic frame that complements any living space. Whether wall-mounted or on a stand, it looks polished and intentional. Setup is straightforward, and once everything is configured, the Fire TV interface is intuitive and easy to use. Overall, the Amazon Fire TV 75-inch Omni QLED series delivers an impressive balance of size, picture quality, and smart functionality. Quantum dot colors, HDR support, Alexa integration, and Fire OS make this a feature-packed option for anyone seeking a cinematic home experience. It's not the cheapest TV on the market, but the combination of scale, performance, and smart features makes it an attractive choice. If you're interested in purchasing the Amazon Fire TV 75-inch Omni QLED series with Alexa Voice Remote Pro, check the link in the description.